Good morning student, grade 4, subject maths. Next topic is division. My practice time 1. First question divide. Question number A. 19 228 divided by 19. 238 divided by 19. In 19th table, write first 19th table. 1 19s are 19. Next 2 19s are 18. We write 8 here and the remaining balance 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. 38. Next 3 19s are 3 9s are 27. 7 balance 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 57. Next 4 19s are 4 9s are 36. 6 balance 3. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7. 5 19s are 45. 5 here balance 4. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 4 95. Next 6 19s are 54. 4 here balance 5. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 5 11 114. 17 19s are 7 9s are 63. 3 here balance 6. 7 into 1 7 plus 6 3 balance 6. 7 plus 6 13. Next 18 19s are 8 9s are 72. 2 here balance 7. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 7 15. Next 9 19s are 81. 1 balance 8 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8 17. Next one 10 19s are 190. 10 90s are 190. When multiplied by 10, adding with 0 with 19. 9 1 9. Number A 228 divided by 19. 228 divided by 19. First we selected first number 2. 2 is smaller than 19. 2 is less than 19. So 2 is cannot divided by 19. So we selected 2-digit number 22. 22 is greater than 19. So 22 is divided by, we can divide by 19. So in 22 in 19th table. So 22 in 19th table not here. So less than 22 19. Less than 22 119s are 19. We select less than 22 119s are 19. 119s are 19. So we put here 19. How many times? In 19 in 19 table 1 times. So in quotient we put 1 times. Next we subtract 22 minus 19. 22 minus 19 3. So 8 is bring down the value 8. Here 8 38. Set 38 in 19th table. 38 in 19th table 2 times. 38 in 19th table 2 times. 38 here how many times? 2 times. In quotient put here 2. We subtract 38 minus 38, answer is 0. Therefore quotient 12 and the remainder equal to 0. Quotient 12, remainder equal to 0. Next, and the second sum. Second sum, B 322 divided by 14. We write 14th table. 114s are 14. 114s are 14 and 214s are 28. 314s are 42. 414s are 56. 514s are 70. 614s are 84. 714s are 98. 814s are 112. 914s are 126. And 1014s are 140. First, we selected first number 3. 3 is smaller than 14. 3 is smaller than 14. So 3 is cannot divided by 14. 3 is cannot divided by 14. We selected 2-digit number 32. 32 is a greater than 14. 32 is a greater than 14. So 32 is can divided by 14. 32 in 14th table, not here, but less than value 28. But less than value 28. 32 less than value 28. 28 is how many times? 2 times in 14th table. In quotient 2. And subtracting 32 minus 28. 32 minus 28 4. Bring down the value 2. Next, we selected 42. 42 in 14th table. 42 in 14th table 3 times. 42 here. And how many times? 3 times. 3 times in quotient. So 23. So 42 minus 42, answer is 0. So quotient capital Q, quotient 23, and the remainder capital R is equal to 0. And next sum, third sum. Question number C. 1240 divided by 5. 1240 divided by 5. Right? Fifth table. 1 5s are 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. First, 1. We selected 1. 1 is smaller than 5. 1 is less than 5. So 1 is cannot divided by 5. So we selected 2-digit number 12. 12 is greater than 5. So 12 can divided by 5. In 12, fifth table, 12 is not here. So we selected less than value. So less than value is 10. Last less than value is 10. Last less than value is 10. So 10 in fifth table 2 times. 10 in fifth table 2 times. So we subtracting 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. Next, bring down the value 4. 24. 24 in fifth table. 24 in fifth table. Not in the 24 in fifth table. So we select last less than value is 20. Last less than value is 20. 20 how many times in fifth table? 4 times. So subtracting 24 minus 24. 24 minus 24. Next, bring down the value 0. 0, 40. So 40 in fifth table. 40 in fifth table here. So 40, how many times in fifth table? 8 times. So subtracting 40 minus 40, answer is 0. Answer is 0. Therefore, the quotient 248 and the remainder is equal to 0. And the next one, question number D. Question number D. 4,734. 4,734. First we write sixth table. 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36, 7 6 are 42, 8 6 are 48, 9 6 are 54, and 10 6 are 60. First we selected 4. 4 is less than 6. 4 is less than 6. So we cannot divide 6. 4 is cannot divided by 6. So we selected 2-digit number. 2-digit number is 47. 47 is greater than 6. So we divided by 47 is can be divided by 6. In 47 in sixth table. 47 in sixth table. So not here. So we selected 47 less than value. 47 less than value is 42. 42 in seventh table. Sorry, 42 in sixth table. How many times? 7 times. So put in quotient 7 times 42. Next we subtracting 47 minus 42. 47 minus 42. 7 minus 2, 5. 4 minus 4, 0. So bring down the value. Next bring down the value 3. 53. 53 in sixth table. 53 in sixth table. Not here. So last less than value is 48. 53 in sixth table. Not here. So last less than value is 48. 48 in sixth table. How many times? 8 times. How many times? 8 times. In quotient we write 8. Next we subtracting 53 minus 48. 53 minus 48. 53 minus 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. How many times? 53 minus 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. So balance remaining 5. 53 minus 48, 5. Next, bring down the value 4. 54. 54 in the sixth table. So here 54 in sixth table. How many times? 9 times. In sixth table, 54 is 9 times. So in quotient, we write 9. So subtracting 54 minus 54, answer is 0. Therefore, our quotient is 789 and the remainder is equal to 0. Remainder is equal to 0. And the next sum, next last sum. Next sum 4,272 divided by 12. So we write 12th table 1 12s are 12, 2 12s are 24, and 3 12s are 36, 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60, 6 12s are 72, 7 12s are 84, 8 12s are 96, and 9 12s are 108, 10 12s are 120. First we select 4. 4 is less than 12. 4 is less than 12. Comparing 12 and 4, 4 is less than 12. 4 is less than 12. So 4 is cannot divided by 12. So 4 is cannot divided by 12. So we select 42, 2-digit number. 42 is greater than 12. So 42 is can divided by 12. 42 is can divided by 12. In 12th table, 42 not here. So last decimal value is 36. In 12th table, 42 is not here. So last decimal value is 36. Last decimal value is 36. So we selecting 36 in 36 right here. And how many times 36 in 12th table? 3 times. So we write quotient in 3 times. And 42 minus 36. 42 minus 36. Answer is 6. 42 minus 36, answer is 6. Next, remaining, bring down the value 7. Next, bring down the value 7. Select 67. 67 in 12th table. So not here. So last less than value is 60. Last less than value is 60. 60 in 12th table. How many times? 5 times. In quotient we write 5. So we subtracting 7, 67 minus 60, and sorry, remaining 7. So next bring down the value 2, 72. 72 in 12th table. So here 72 in 12th table. How many times? 6 times. How many times? 6 times. So 72 minus 72, answer is 0. Therefore the quotient 356 and the remainder 0. Remainder 0. Next one, second question. Divide and verify the answer. Divide and verify the answer. Second question. Question number A. 12 divided by 567 divided by 12. Right? 12th table. 1 12s are 12. 2 12s are 24. 3 12s are 36. 4 12s are 48. And 5 12s are 60. 6 12s are 72, 7 12s are 84, and 8 12s are 96, 9 12s are 108, 10 12s are 120. So first we selected 5 and 12. Comparing 5 and 12, 5 is smaller than 12. 5 is smaller than 12. So we cannot, 5 is cannot divided by 12. So we select 56, 2-digit number. 56 is greater than 12. So 56 in 12th table. 56 in 12th table not here. So last decimal value is 48. 56 in last decimal value is 48. So we selected 48. 48 in 12th table. How many times? 4 times. So we subtracting 56 minus 48. 56 minus 48. Therefore, here borrowing 16. 16 minus 8. Balance 8. 4 minus 4 answer 0. Next bring down value 7. So 87. 87 in 12th table. 87 in 12th table not here. So last less than value is 87 less than value last less than value is 84. So we select 84. 84 in 12th table 7 times. In quotient 7. So subtracting 87 minus 84. 87 minus 84 and say remainder 3. So quotient value is equal to 47. Remainder value is equal to 3. Verify the answer. Verify the answer. First, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend so our formula dividend. Verify the answer. So verification dividend is equal to divisor. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend answer is 567. Dividend 567. Divisor is 12 and 64. 564 plus 3. 567 adding 3. 564 plus 3. 567. Therefore 506 is correct. Hence verified. Question number A. Quotient 47 remainder is equal to 3. Verify the answer. Our formula dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend 567 and divisor 12. Quotient 47 plus remainder is equal to 3. We multiply 12 and 47. Answer is 564. Adding 3, 567. So left hand side answer and the right hand side answer. Two left hand side answer and the right hand sides are equal. Therefore verified. Our answer is correct. And second question. 250. Question number B. 250 divided by 13. 250 divided by 13. First we write 13th table. 1 13s are 13. 2 13s are 26. 3 13s are 39. 4 13s are 52. 5 13s are 65. 6 13s are 78. 7 13s are 91. 8 13s are 104. 9 13s are 10 13s are 130. First is written 2. Comparing 2 and 13. 2 is smaller than 13. So we select 2-digit number 25. 25 is greater than 13. 25 is greater than 13. So in 25 and 13 table, 25 and 13 is not here. So last less than value is 13. last less than value of 25 is 13. Last less than value is 13. So first 13 here and 13 table how many times? 1 times, quotient we write 1. So we subtracting 25 minus 13, 5 minus 3 answer 2, 2 minus 1 remaining 1. Next 12 we selected 1 is less than 13 and we select 2 digit number 12 is also less than 13. So we bring down the value 0 here. 120 last less than value 120. In 120 trading table not here. So last less than value 120, 117. 117 how many times in trading table? 9 times. So subtracting 120 minus 117 remainder 3. Therefore quotient value is equal to 90 and the remainder r is equal to 3. Verify the answer in formula. Dividend is equal to 250. Division is equal to 13. Quotient 19 plus remainder 3 plus remainder 3. 250 is equal to, first we multiply 13 into 19. 13 into 19. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So 7 the balance 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 57. Next multiply 1 9s are 9 and 1 1s are 1. So 7, 14, balance 1, 2, 247. Answer is 247. 247 added by 3, 250, 247 added 3, 250. Therefore, LHS side answer is equal to RHS side. Hence, verified our answer is correct. Next part. Homework sum. Homework. My practice time 1. Question number 1. F G H. Question number 2. Right, C, D and E. Totally 6 sums are homework. Thank you, students.